Kind of. Yeah. Yeah, he just loves walking now. And he's picking up the ball now. It looks like he's going to get the ball. Yep. He's going to just walk around with it now. He's been walking a lot today. Oh, he just dropped it. He's going to go after it. Yep. Pick it up. He's going to walk with it. Just throw it. Picking Maya up. I'll send you this video tonight. So I'll probably get up. Crawling after it now. He'll get up though. So cute how he plays with the ball. Oh God, the gate's open.